As we unveil this book today, I am reminded of the words of the great Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes, who says, "The life of the law has not been logic, it has been experience." Justice Ariwoola experiences, as captured in this autobiography, will undoubtedly serve as an inspiration to current and future generations of legal practitioners, as well as to all who believe in the power of justice and the rule of law. My lords, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the title of this beautiful autobiography, Judging with Justice, is very fitting because it fully captures the Chief Justice's philosophy. It is my hope that this book will not only be a source of knowledge, but also a beacon of inspiration, reminding us all of the critical role that the judiciary plays in the life of our nation, justice. And the Ariwoola's story is one of service, of commitment to justice, and of a life lived in the pursuit of what is right and just. It is a story that deserves to be told, to be read, and to be remembered. On behalf of the administration and people of the Federal Capital Territory, I congratulate the Honorable Justice Abubakar Ariwoola on this significant achievement. Your life and work have left an indelible mark on our nation, and we're all better for it. May this book serve as a legacy that will continue to inspire and guide us all in the years to come. Thank you, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I'll quote. One of these accomplishments, in my view, is the recently enacted judicial office holders' salaries and allowances, as expressed by Honorable Minister of FCT. In my view, this is a significant milestone in the enhancement of the independence of the autonomy of the judiciary. 2 years ago, I made a call for an improved welfare package for judicial officers. Your Excellency, the Vice President, I'm happy that my call was listened to. I recall that in my address to the body of senior advocates of Nigeria in the year 2022, I stated that, and again, pardon me, I quote myself again, judicial officers, by virtue of their office, cannot be advocates for themselves, particularly in terms of their remuneration and benefits. The benefits that accrue from such an upwardly devised compensation package for our judicial officers is unquantifiable, unquote. I am glad that it was during the tenure of Justice Ariwoola that this clarion call became a reality. Again, congratulations. It is also to the credit of Justice Ariwoola that his tenure witnessed the unprecedented appointment of new justices to ensure that the full complements of 21 justices of the Supreme Court as stipulated by the Constitution is met. This is significant by any judicial, legal or historical standard. Without a sufficient number of judges and justices, the right to fair hearing guaranteed by the Constitution is nothing but a paper tiger that exists merely for decorative purposes. We thank your Lordship for this remarkable achievement. Your Excellencies, Mr. BP, your Lordships, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I stated earlier that there are two reasons I love to be in the midst of learned members of the legal profession, but I only mentioned one of the reasons. The second reason is the fact that it's well known to you all. It has pleased Almighty Allah that I am married to a member of the learned profession. His Lordship, Honorable Justice Fatilami Abubakar, the former Justice of Niger State. Unfortunately, she couldn't be here because she has been bereaved just 2 days ago. I therefore regard myself as an associate member of the legal profession. With your permission, of course. One significant thing I have learned by reason of my association with the profession is that most justices who have written their names in bold are concerned not only with delivering judgment, but rather their primary focus on the bench is justice. I was therefore not surprised when I was informed that the title of Justice Ariwoola's biography is in quote, is judging with justice, unquote. I want to believe that this title should be the creed of every judicial officer. It is the question that every judge should ask himself at the conclusion of every case. Have I judged with justice in this case? I repeat, the question that every judge should ask himself at the conclusion of every case is, have I judged with justice in this case? It is, however, not a question for judges alone. It is a question that should be the guiding principle for all of us, whatever our professional calling is. As leaders and citizens, judging with justice should be our watchword. When we judge with justice, we prioritize patriotism, we promote the rule of law, we disavow corrupt practices and shun illegality. I congratulate your Lordship on this special august occasion. I know that Nigerians are waiting eagerly to read this very important book that will be unveiled today. I'm happy that your Lordship has taken the time to document his eventful life. I thank Almighty Allah, who has made your life and tenure impactful. I pray that he will continue to bless you and your future endeavors. And I want to congratulate Madam, your wife, who has been keeping the home front and gave you peace of mind. Otherwise, you will not be able to do justice when you are sitting. May God grant us peace in this country. May peace return to our land. Long live Nigeria. Long live the Federation. Thank you.